Hi, everyone. Something very special just started happening. Something that happens a lot in the springtime. Maybe if you're quiet, you can hear exactly what I'm talking about. Can you hear it? What do you think that sound is? It's the rain. I'm going to open my front door. Let's take a look at the rain. Wow. It's not just rain. Something else is happening. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, and I'll try to catch a few for you. But there are tiny balls of ice falling from the sky, banging all over the ground. It's called hail. Hail is a type of precipitation, a type of weather. Wow. I'm standing in the door and I'm getting soaking wet. There's rain mixed with hail. Listen. Did you hear that? That sound coming from the sky? Thunder! Thunder is another type of weather. I'm so surprised. I heard the pitter patter and thought it was rain and opened the door to find the balls of ice falling from the sky. The hail. I wonder if it's hailing and thundering where you are.